clever chemical companies have been telling us for years that the only way to get anything clean is with their toxic cleaners. But what if I told you you could scrub your entire home spotless using one cleaner without breathing in any toxic fumes?
This is the world's most effective non-toxic cleaner made up of enzymes that work to digest stains and odors. It's 100% natural, yet tough enough to tackle the most difficult stains, dirt, and odors.
And the best part is, it works on virtually any surface, from granite and marble countertops to leather furniture, and it even removes stains on your clothes, all without leaving a chemical residue behind.
How it's able to clean so well is thanks to the power of enzymes. This unique blend of all-natural, concentrated enzymes work quickly to biodegrade the mess, be it dirt or oil, even blood or coffee.
Just how the enzymes in your stomach work to digest food, these enzymes work to digest stains and odors. It's very easy to do. All you do is dilute the solution, 1 part of the concentrate enzyme to 16 parts water. Then simply spray the area you're cleaning.
And in some cases, you can dilute the solution even further, like when using it to clean a leather couch. Test areas in your home out and adjust your enzymes accordingly. Stronger concentrations for tougher stains and a mild solution for gentle cleaning.
Let's see where we can use these cleaning enzymes. First off, it can be used on any stains. For stains in clothing, simply spray the area, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then throw it in the wash. I actually like to keep a little spray bottle with me in my bag as my on-the-go stain remover.
Same thing goes for stains on the carpet. Simply spray the area, let it sit, and then wipe it with a wet cloth, like the nano towel.
You can also use it to remove odors from clothing, fabrics, carpet, and furniture. This is great if you have pets in the house. It really helps freshen up the place.
And since it's non-toxic, you can actually spray your pet's bed. You can also use it around children to clean their high chairs, bibs, and blankets.
And it doesn't stop there. Imagine anywhere you'd like to freshen up. Rugs, litter boxes, inside your car, a stuffy closet, or even that old pair of smelly shoes.
Our enzymatic cleaner reduces or removes odors completely by breaking down the raw materials that are actually causing the odor, rather than masking them with a chemical fragrance like conventional cleaners do.
The cleaning enzymes can be used around the rest of the house too. It works great partnered with our nano towel. For any stain, simply spray the area, wait, and then wipe away.
Since different strains of enzymes work on different stains and surfaces, our unique formula uses several enzymes such as amylase, lipase, pectinase, and many more. This is what allows the cleaner to be so versatile.
This means you can clean nearly any surface. Tile, wood, chrome, stainless steel, granite, glass, mirrors, you name it.
And it doesn't just push grease or dirt around like soap and chemicals do. The enzymes work to consume and truly remove the mess.
Take stuck-on food, for example. The enzymes take the elbow grease away. Just spray, wait, and wipe away.
I love to use this cleaner on my wooden cutting board. It used to get very smelly very quickly from all the food stuck in the wood and bacteria growing on there. If it stayed wet for too long, it would quickly grow mold. Now, I simply spray it after each wash and it stays fresh, clean, and mold-free.
Plus, you don't have to worry about wiping away that chemical residue.
Exactly, I just leave it to dry. Nothing works better, especially on mold, which is one of the most difficult things to eliminate.
The enzymes safely break down and remedy mold and mildew. Use it in the bathroom, windowsills, patios, gardens, anywhere that's susceptible to mold growth.
It's great to use in the kitchen, around your food prep areas, and it's perfect for cleaning inside your fridge where all your food is.
Yeah, exactly. The last thing you want to be doing is getting chemical residue all over your food.
A lot of cleaners say they're all natural, but still contain some questionable ingredients. Ever notice the poison control warning labels on the back?
That's because regular chemical cleaners are downright dangerous. They're filled with ingredients that are known health hazards.
Why waste your money on all those chemical cleaners when there's this one non-toxic cleaner that can do it all? The cleaning enzymes will actually clean better than other both toxic or non-toxic detergents.
So, if you'd like to create a healthy, chemical-free home, grab the Enzyme Concentrate. Scroll down right now and click the Add to Cart button.
You've seen it. The enzymes work in the kitchen, in the bathroom, on fabrics, and even furniture. And if that wasn't enough, we've heard back from our customers. They use it outdoors on concrete, stone, brick, and lawn furniture. The possibilities are endless.
Try it for yourself. This one cleaner can clean your entire home. And if you have our nano towels, this is the ultimate addition to eliminating your need for almost all the dangerous cleaning products in your home.
And this bottle will take you a long way. It only takes 8 ounces of the enzyme concentrate to make 1 gallon of regular strength enzymes.
And that's a lot. Think about it. When was the last time you used 1 gallon of cleaning products?
So what are you waiting for? Make the greener, cleaner switch today. Scroll down, click the yellow Add to Cart button, and we'll ship you our enzyme concentrate.
And if you are not satisfied, if for some reason the product just doesn't work as promised, we will gladly refund your money with our 60 days money-back guarantee.
That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Until next time.
Bye.